Alright guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing here. I'm just home from like a 9-hour shift at work and I'm dog tired and probably look it. But I got a package today from Dixie Cowboy.com and got some goodies in here that I'm going to be reviewing in the coming weeks. The one I'm most excited about is right here. This is their Dead Elvis hair pomade. I just took a shot in the dark, but I think this is going to be similar to the Gunslinger pomade that I've already tried. I'm hoping it will be. In terms of hold and consistency and what have you. I forget which scent I got. I'll have to look at my order. I'll put it in the description, or I'll cover it in the video where I actually review it. But they have like two house scents. So I'll be going over that. This one has an ingredients list on the back too, so I'll be covering that. Kind of excited about that. I also got some salty heifer lotion. I know lotion probably doesn't seem very manly, but men, you should moisturize, particularly your face, which is just part of your daily skincare routine. It's a good thing to do to kind of reduce the effects of aging and just dry skin and not looking healthy and vibrant. But I also needed this because at work I'm constantly washing my hands using chemicals, and some of the gloves that they've been buying recently, cheaper gloves, make my hands actually break out. And it's not just me, it's several other people. So I wanted to have some lotion on hand, trying to avoid the store-bought stuff, so we'll see how this stuff is. And then along similar lines, I also got their itch and bite salve. It's just a hand salve. It smells really good. So we'll be looking at that at some point and seeing what that's about. Not much else. I got one of their cards in here. It just kind of tells all the kind of stuff that they offer. But yeah, look for a video, or actually several videos on all this stuff in the near future. I'm not going to do anything tonight because I'm going to shower and go to bed. But I'm excited to try this stuff, and I'll be sharing it with you. I hope you guys are well. Stay safe out there. Take care of your skin. Take care of your hair. And God bless you.